So hello and welcome to you to our programming channel Programming Hub. We are learning C#.NET programming language, Visual Studio 2017. So today we will learn mainly two things. That is number one, Visual Studio 2017 interface, and number two, various files and folders. Those will be created for the project. So let's start. So we will create new project in Visual Studio 2017. Now I am opening. So Visual Studio has been already open. Now I am going to File menu, then New and Project. Now see, New Project window has been opened. Now in the left panel, under Installed panel, the various languages has been displayed. That is, through which language we want to write the program, we have to select. The languages are Visual C++, Visual C#, Visual Basic and Visual F#. So today we will write the program using Visual C#. So I am selecting Visual C# from this panel. So now see, in the middle panel, the various types of application which we can create are displayed. That is, we can create here see console application .NET framework and .NET core. Two types of console application we can create. Windows form application we can create. Class library we can create. ASP.NET web application we can create. Like various application we can create from this panel. So now we will create a console application .NET framework. So I am selecting console application. Later we will see the other types of application. So now see, in the lower panel here, we have to write or select the name of the application, that is name of the project. The name of the project by default is console app 1. We can change anytime, now or later also. So we are leaving this name intact. We are not changing this name, console application 1. So now see, the second row we have to select the location under which the main solution files will be created. Solution is the main folder that will be created. This is the default location, :users under in the name in which the Windows has been installed, then source folder, and after that repos folder. We can change it right now. So to change this folder, we can create browse button. Browse, we are clicking browse button. So now see, we are going to J drive. We are creating all the solution in J drive, and after that .NET Works. I have already created a folder called .NET Works. So I am double clicking. You can create any folders with any name and store the solution folder in that folder. So anyway, we are double clicking .NET Works. Now I have already created many solutions previously, so I am selecting this folder. Now see that the folder has been changed, folder name has been changed. It is showing j:\.NET Works \. So the solution folder will be created under J drive and under that .NET Works folder. So now in the third row we have to give the solution name. You can give any name for this also. So I am changing. For example, I am giving in capital sol _test. You can give any name as you wish. So here again I am telling the name of the project is console app 1, and under this folder j:\.NET Works, the solution folder will be created, and the solution name is sol _test, and the project and the type of application we are creating console app.NET framework. So now click OK. Now see, it is creating the console app project. It is creating project console app 1. It is showing the project name is console app 1. It is creating. You have to wait, and it is being created, and now it has been created. Now see, this is the structure of this console app 1. In the left hand side it is showing that the project name is console app 1, and the program we are working here, console app 1 dot program, and then the right panel main function is showing, and in the right side it is the solution explorer panel. This is the solution explorer panel, and in the bottom side this is the properties panel. We don't need properties right now, we will see it later when we will work on Windows Forms application. And in the bottom side this is the output panel. Here it will show the output of the program. Now see, in the solution explorer the structure is the solution, the name I have given sol underscore test, it is showing here, and in bracket it is showing that one project, that is under solution there is one project right now, that is console app 1. This is the project, and under this project we are working in program.cs file. CS extension has been given because we are writing the program in C#. That is why CS extension has been given. That is, we are working on the program.cs. This is the program. This is the program.cs. The file name is showing here, and the project name is console app 1. And now see that for each project a namespace will be created automatically. We can also change this namespace name, no problem at all. And we also can change this program, that is class, this is the class name. We can also change this class name also, no problem. This namespace name and class name don't match with this name, no problem at all. We can change it anytime. So this is the structure. Now see, in the folder structure, now we are going to folder structure. Now go to J drive. I have created the solution under J drive under .NET Wars. This is the .NET Wars. I'm double clicking, and now see, our solution folder is sol underscore test. This is the solution folder. We are double clicking. Now see, a project folder console app 1 has been created automatically, and a solution file has been created also. The name is sol underscore test.sln is the extension, and we are double clicking on console app 1. Now see here that console app 1.csproj named a project file has been created. The extension of project file is .csproj. It will be created automatically, and under this console app folder we are working on program.cs file. So this is the complete folder structure. J drive, under J drive .NET Works folder, and under that sol underscore test solution folder, and under that console app 1 project folder. So this is the folder structure. So as I was telling that these names can be changed anytime. Console app 1 and program name can be changed at any time, no problem at all. So this is the complete folder structure and the files that have been created after creating the project. So okay, now that's all about our video today. In the next video we will see all the data types in details that are present in C#.NET and also in Visual Studio 2017. So thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for the next video. Till then, goodbye and best of luck.